So, hi guys, this one, what is this? Hi guys, this is, that is seaweeds.
Hey guys, this is weird. I want to eat it because my dad, my mama buy it. Only my dad buy it.
Only dad buy that one? Okay.
Yeah.
Yummy? Yes, you show that one, another one. You show it big.
Yeah.
Yes, look. Look at that guys. This nice. The color is what?
Green.
Green. Good job. That is from the sea. The ocean. You know? You remember before you go to the sea in the Lula place? Yes, and grind it and make it this like this and put salt and this to make beautiful and then see like it. You see? See the taste? Nice? Yes. You'll buy again that one? You like it? You'll buy more? Okay. And with together with rice, guys. Not only this. Ganahan siya. Ganahan siya sa seaweeds, guys. Hapit na ma-expire na. Limutan ako. Ganahan siya with rice. And sabaw. Soup. With soup. Sinababay na, guys.
No.
I know. Baby, you sure to how to eat that one together with the rice. Like that, guys. Oh. And like that. Eat more. That's it. Okay. Bye-bye, guys.